In a cluttered studio, Tiny Brain's TV introduces a Vanity vending machine auditioning for a stand-up set. The vending machine riff asks for a mic drop while dispensing tiny snacks that heckle with retro gaming sound effects. A surprise cameo by a librarian dragon recites obscure 80s arcade lore, mispronouncing power-ups as pastry names, chaos erupts. A quick co-op gag, players team up with a rubber chicken and a spellbook to defeat the boss of boring ads. The outro loops into a meme montage as credits roll, and the fridge hums a jingle from a forgotten VHS commercial.